Hello. In this video I will show you how to delete multiple contacts on iPhone. This is an easy tutorial video, so make sure to watch to the very end so you don't make any mistakes along the way. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to Contacts. Then, select the number you wish to delete. Now press Edit. Then, scroll down until you find Delete Contact. Now tap it and select Delete Contact. Now, to delete multiple contacts, use 2 fingers and scroll down the contact list. If they are highlighted in gray, it means it's working. Now, let go of those 2 fingers, and now hold 1 finger on any of the gray highlighted area. And now an option to delete numerous contacts will appear in red. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.